Maria's World of Ideas. Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I organize mine and my daughter's hair products. As you guys have seen on my video, if you've been watching me for a while, on my Sunday prep video is the day where I wash my daughter's hair and basically style it for the week. Because my daughters are mixed with Puerto Rican and black, and they tend to have, like, you know, really kinky curly hair. So whenever you do hair like that, it takes a long time to do. It's not one of those types of hair that you can wash every night and style every night. You really got to sit down and take your time and have the right products for that type of hair. So Sunday nights and Wednesday nights are kind of like the nights that I'll sit there and I will do their hair, kind of prep it for a couple days, because I always do a style that can be refreshed throughout the week. Because again, that type of hair you can't wash every night. So there's a lot of products that I use for it, and sometimes I do their hair when I do their hair in the morning, sometimes I do it in my bathroom, and then on Sunday nights I tend to either sit down in the playroom and style their hair, or I will sit in the living room and style their hair. Because it takes so long to do their hair, I always try to put them in front of the TV where they can watch a show as I'm doing their hair, because it takes a long time. So with that being said, I have a lot of products that I need to lug around the house. So I have to organize it in a way where it could be accessible, that I could take it from the bathroom to the living room to the playroom, wherever I decide to do their hair. So a lot of you guys have been wondering how I organize their hair products, so I'm able to do it all around the house, because you've seen me do it in different places of the house. So today I'm going to share with you guys an organizational product that I found that I love, that I use to organize their hair products, that I can not only house it and store it in the house, but I can easily carry it to the car and easily take it with me traveling in the luggage as well. So the product that I use to organize it is this Pen Gear Latchmates storage box that you can find at Walmart. And I love this little storage kit, guys, and I kept the sticker on so that you guys can know exactly how it looks and which one to get. This one is, I almost dropped it. This one is, the size of this one is 14.5 quarts. I think it's the perfect size to be able to carry around. And as you can see on the top, it comes with a little latch that you're able to, carry around and take everywhere. And it has the two little latches on the side to clip it. And I'm going to show you later on this video how I have it organized and how it opens as well. Now, the idea for this, I actually got it from She's in Her Apron. She is a YouTuber that I love to watch. She's so funny. She's just the mom, and she's real, and I just love watching her. She gives ideas. But she found this, I believe, a year ago, and she used it to organize her makeup. And so when I saw it on her channel, I was like, man, that would be perfect for the girls' hair products, because I'm constantly lugging hair products around. So I love the fact that I'm able to organize their hair products, not only in here, but then this also comes with the organized container on top. So let me show you how I organize this and how I find it so helpful for me to be able to organize all my daughter's hair products, that I'm able to not only organize it for the house, but then I'm able to take it with me everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the inside of the little caddy, the little organizational box caddy, so you guys can see how I organize our hair supplies inside it. Now again, like I told you guys, what I love about this is that it has a handle, so I'm able to carry this all around the house, or when I'm traveling, putting it in and out the car. But I also love these little latches right here that are super tight, and the fact that this has a lid and it's able to cover everything and keep everything all contained in this storage box is a plus for me. So like I said, this opens up right here and then just clip in real easily like that. And so let me show you how it looks on the top. So when I take the lid off, the first thing that you see is a little organizational caddy on top, which that's what I love about this box. This is not just a regular box where you open up the lid and it's all empty. It's just a storage box. It comes with an actual caddy inside of it, which again, I used to organize my hair products with a Dollar Tree caddy, and I used to carry it around the house. But the fact that it wasn't protected with the lid or anything like that, I would get things everywhere, and it wasn't good to travel in the car because things could spill. So the fact that this box came with a caddy inside it but still had room at the bottom to store things, I love. So this is how I store my things. It comes with three sections right here, three small sections right here, and one big section over here. Again, the handle's right here so you can pull it up and down. I put our clips in here and our bobby pins in this section. I put the girls' hair bands in this section. We use these a lot. And also the little rubber bands when I'm doing like braid styles with my girls' hair, I put in here. You can use these for bows, barrettes, whatever you use for your daughter's hair or for your hair, you could put stuff in these, but this is mainly what I use for my daughters every day and my hair. Over here, I put all our combs and brushes, and this little thing right here is actually a pencil box from Dollar Tree. And I use it to store our scissors, because I do cut my daughter's and my hair on myself. I don't, you know, I've had people try to cut our hair before and they always mess it up, so I just cut my daughter's hair and my hair by myself. If you would like to see a video of how I do my hair, my own layers, and how I cut my daughter's hair, just leave me a comment down below in the description box and I'll do a video for you. But that's what I have, is the hair scissors, the brush, and the comb, all that stuff that needs to be separated on top. Then you take off the caddy part, and on the bottom I have all our hair products that I put in our hair. I do keep a towel on the bottom because sometimes, regardless, I try to remember to always close these things tightly, but sometimes I can forget, or sometimes even if you close them tightly they tend to leak. So I always keep a towel at the bottom of this box so that it can absorb any type of leakage that happens, and then there's easy cleanup. But the fact that this is a plastic container, plastic box, storage container, it's easy cleanup anyway. This is just the stuff that we use as far as our hair. I use Eco Styler gel with them, 2 different kinds. I use some Frizz stuff. This, I keep a bunch of different oils in it to keep our scalp nice and not dry, and also to prevent the itching and stuff. I use the black castor oil for my daughter's hair. She has a couple bald spots a while back, and this is actually working for her bald spots, so I'm actually loving that. And I do put it in the oils here. I just mix avocado oils, olive oil, different type of oils in here to nourish the hair. And I also use it for my youngest because her hair tends to get really dry. So whenever I'm using leave-in conditioners like this one I'm using right now, I mix it with oils in her hair, and it's easier to detangle once they have oils and leave-in conditioner. But I just keep the products here and I lay them down so that I'm able to put this caddy to be on top of it again. If I were to lay these things up this way, then I wouldn't be able to close it. So I lay all this stuff down flat, and that's another reason why I have to put the towel down, because this is meant to be standing upright like this. So when you put it down here, you could probably get some spillage. But again, like I said, I try to close it tightly. But that's it, and then I just put the caddy on top whenever I'm done, and then close it all up with the lid, and it's just easily, I can take it anywhere I need to go. I just love how this caddy is. It's so useful, so easy. I can take it I can take it anywhere in the house, and I can also travel with it. So that is how I organize my and my daughter's hair products. So I'm able to not only keep it organized in the home, but I can easily just take this in the car whenever we have to do like gymnastics meets, or I can actually, sometimes what I do is when we're traveling, if we're traveling in the car and it's not so much of where the luggage, like we have to have a small luggage on the plane, I just take this whole thing and I put it in the luggage, and it fits perfectly in the luggage, and then I'm able to just take it wherever I go. So I don't have to think about packing things. Everything's already in here that I need for my daughter's hair and for my hair. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know down in the comments any tips or organizational ideas that you guys to organize all the hair products in your life or your kids' life, because I love to get ideas from you guys. Again, I got this idea from She's in Her Apron that she uses it for her makeup, but I thought it was perfect for our hair products. So let me know in the comments your ideas. I love hearing your ideas. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and become part of my YouTube family. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video, because it really does help out my channel, so I'm able to bring more stuff for you guys and more helpful tips for you guys in future videos. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.